guys, this is Mommy, Daddy, Chloe, Trevor.
Okay.
That's my family's class head.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna put it in the water
Okay, let's go.
with the bottle.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Guys, this is my mom. I'm gonna put it in the water. Mommy.
Dip it in. Next.
And then Daddy dip it in. And then Chloe dip it in. And Trevor dip it in. Ano kakag?
Nagkakabok talaga siya.
Okten.
Nasaan ikaw? Chloe, nasaan ikaw dyan?
Ito.
Sino?
Ito.
Ano si Trevor?
Ito.
Ikot mo si Trevor dyan. Ikot mo.
Yan.
Ikot mo si Trevor.
Yan. Yan.
Ikot mo siya.
Yan.
Dapat nakaharap. Yan. Ang isa rin. Yan. Okay. Let's wait. How many minutes?
30.
Very good. Lagay mo.
Mommy. Put Chloe.
Next. Go. Here.
Isma.
Next. Then,
Wala si Trevor.
mag-open dyan. Ito muna. Spring to.
Ito na. Is this one. Daddy is this one. Chloe is this one. Trevor is this one. Let me check. Yeah!
Yes. Let's go.
Bakit ka na naiwan ka? What?
Dito. Okay. Oh, the other one. It's okay na. The other one. Go. Oh, dito sa taas, anak.
Sorry. Lilinisan lang.
Oo, go. Yun.
Ako naman.
Mm.
Oh. Okay na yun.
Okay na.
Oh. Okay na yun.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Ayun.
Dami na.
Sino to?
That's amazing.
Ano?
Lapit ka. Punta ka lang. Who's that? Sino to? Nasaan ikaw? Saan si Trevor?
Hindi ako yung sasabi.
Ah, sige, go.
Ito sa Trevor, ito sa Chloe, ito sa Tati, ito sa Mami. Correct?
Yes.
Ah! My course is very long.
Oh, anong names niyan? Dili. Sino-sino yan?